Welcome to CSC Guru. In this video, we will discuss a problem in number system. The given problem is the hexadecimal equivalent of the octal number 2357 is. So here the octal number is given and we need to find the hexadecimal value. So first we should know what is hexadecimal number and what is octal number. Hexadecimal number uses 16 digit symbols to represent the numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 it will use the numbers. For the number 10 it will use the letter A, and for number 11 it will use B, and 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, and 15 it is F. So totally it uses 16 numbers for its representation. So here the least value is 0 and the maximum value is F. Since it uses 16 numbers for its representation, it is called base 16 number system. Next, octal number. The octal number uses 8 digit symbols to represent the numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 7. So here the least value is 0 and the maximum value is 7. So since it uses totally 8 numbers for its representation, it is called base 8 number system. Solution. The given octal number is 2357. So in step 1, we are going to convert the octal number into binary number. Then this binary number will be converted to hexadecimal number. So step 1, convert octal number to binary number. So the value is 2357. So for each octal number, we are going to write it in binary representation. So for 2, the binary value is 0, 1, 0. And for 3, the binary value is 0, 1, 1. And 5, 1, 0, 1. 7, 1, 1, 1. Next, step 2. So the binary value is in 3-bit representation. Now we are going to group the 3-bit representation into 4-bit representation because hexadecimal value uses 16 numbers for its representation. We require 4 bits for its representation. So we are going to group it into 4 bits. Starting from the LSB, we are going to group it into 4 bits. So this 4 bits into one group and this 4 bits another group. Then this one is another group. So now the value is 0, 1, 0, 0 in one group, and then 1, 1, 1, 0 another group, 1, 1, 1, 1 in another group. Next, now we are going to convert this binary value into hexadecimal value in next step. So convert the binary to hexadecimal value. So this is the 4-bit representation of binary value. So this 4-bit representation, we are going to convert it into hexadecimal value. So for the value 0, 1, 0, 0, the value is 4. And 1, 1, 1, 0, the value is 14. And 1, 1, 1, 1, the value is 15. So in hexadecimal number, up to 0 to 9 we will use number itself, and 10 onwards up to 15 we will use the letters. So 4 is 4 itself, and for 14 the value is, that is the number is E, and for 15 it is F. So this is the hexadecimal value. So the hexadecimal equivalent of the octal number 2357 is, answer is 3, 4 EF. Thank you for watching this video.